If you manage equipment and technicians, then you already know how critical efficiency and reliability are for your business. Aren't you tired of juggling spreadsheet, endless calls, and constant operational headaches? FieldEx allows you to completely automate your asset management and field service operations. We have a solution to clunky, outdated systems that overwhelm you with inefficiency. We adapt to your workflows, streamlining operations and delivering results your way. Companies trust us to get more jobs done with greater ease and efficiency. We've reduced operational costs by up to 39% and increased workforce productivity by 51% for our clients. We helped this heavy machinery company save $500,000 in just 7 months, literally exceeding their annual growth targets. This transportation company left the chaotic messaging tools and spreadsheet, embracing full automation of their vehicle maintenance process. The result? 52% less unplanned downtime, smoother operations, and happier passengers. I could spend hours sharing more success stories like these because FieldEx has been used across industries such as heavy machinery to HVAC maintenance to even finance. We've already spent years perfecting the most effective ways to simplify the operations that grew profitability in businesses. Why not plug into a comprehensive system? With FieldEx, we handle everything from scheduling to dispatching to real-time tracking and reporting. You get a unified system that integrates equipment and technician management, customer communication, inventory, and spare parts tracking, all at the fraction of the cost of 5 different softwares. And this is how you can get started. First, we'll set up a call to understand your business operations. Next, we'll deliver a customized demo to showcase how FieldEx addresses your unique workflows and requirements. Finally, we'll onboard you and your team to kickstart real business growth. We offer comprehensive tools that cut down your time spent on managing your operations by half. Asset and equipment management is like giving every tool and machine a digital brain. You'll always know the location, status, and maintenance needs, keeping operations smooth with proactive, preventive, and corrective care. Field service management acts as your business command center, organizing people, schedules, and jobs to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. We've found both to be the key to success for your business operations. If you're serious about transforming your business operations digitally, click the button below to book a demo with one of our experts. Try FieldEx today.